Learn about the snakes and King Cobra. A single bite from a king cobra can deliver enough venom to kill an elephant. What is a snake? Put yourself in the place of a harmless snake. You're just lying in the grass, minding your own business, when suddenly a great big foot comes crashing down right next to your head. You take off through the grass like greased lightning. In the distance, someone screams, "Snake!" Which one should be more afraid, the human or the snake? A snake is simply a long, thin animal. It does not have arms or legs. It crawls along the ground on its belly. Snakes are reptiles. Like all reptiles, snakes are cold-blooded. They can't control their own body temperature, and so they have to lie in the sun to get warm and in the shade to get cool. What is a king cobra? The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It is famous for its fierceness and is extremely dangerous. The scientific name for the king cobra is Ophiophagus hanna. King cobras typically grow to around 13 feet long, but they have been known to grow as long as 18 feet. The color of the king cobra is black, tan, or dark green with yellow bands down the length of the body. The belly is cream-colored with black bands. The king cobra lives in Southeast Asia, including parts of India and other countries such as Burma, Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. They like to live in forests and near water. They can swim well and can move quickly in trees and on land. A single bite from a king cobra can deliver enough venom to kill an elephant or 20 grown men. The main food for the king cobra is other snakes. However, it will eat small mammals and lizards too. The main predator to the king cobra is the mongoose because the mongoose is immune to its venom. The cobra is mesmerized by the shape and movement of the flute, not by the sound. Let's learn more about snakes. Where do snakes live? Snakes live almost everywhere in the world. They live in grasslands, deserts, and rainforests. Some snakes live in water. There are no snakes, however, in Ireland, Iceland, Antarctica, or New Zealand. There are more than 2,500 species of snakes. How big are snakes? The world's smallest snake is about 5 inches long at full growth and weighs less than 0.1 ounce. The largest snakes are the anaconda and the reticulated python. They both can grow as long as 33 feet and can weigh up to 550 pounds. Do snakes have bones? Like other reptiles, snakes are vertebrates. They have a backbone. A snake's long backbone is made up of small bones called vertebrae. Snakes have between 100 and 400 vertebrae. Humans have just 32 vertebrae. A snake's jawbones are not attached to its skull. They are linked together by muscles and stretchy tissues called ligaments. This type of jaw lets a snake open its mouth wide and eat animals that are much larger than its head. The dry outer layer of a snake's skin is made of scales. Scales give a snake its color. The color of some snakes lets them blend into their surroundings and avoid being seen. Some poisonous snakes are brightly colored to warn off enemies. Snakes regularly shed their skin. First, a new layer of skin forms underneath the old one. Then the snake loosens the skin around its lips. Finally, the snake crawls out of its old skin. A brand new skin takes its place. Snake senses. Snakes don't see or hear as well as other animals. A snake has eyes, but no eyelids. They have clear scales over their eyes. Most snakes can see movement, but some snakes are blind. Snakes do not have ears. They have bones in their heads that can sense low sounds and vibrations. Snakes have a great sense of smell. A snake flicks out its forked tongue to collect scents. It doesn't mean the snake is hungry. The snake pulls its tongue in and sticks the forked tips into a place in the roof of its mouth called Jacobson's organ. This way of smelling lets snakes find other snakes as well as prey. Pit vipers, boas, and pythons have small pits on their heads that can sense heat. These pits help a snake sense when a warm-blooded animal is near. Poisonous snakes. Most snakes will not harm people. Garter snakes and ribbon snakes are harmless snakes. But some snakes can be deadly. They inject a poison called venom when they bite. They use venom to defend themselves or to kill prey. Poisonous snakes have two big, hollow teeth called fangs. When they bite, the venom comes down through these fangs. Pit vipers keep their fangs folded in their mouths until they are ready to strike. Rattlesnakes are a well-known kind of pit viper. Cobras and coral snakes are also very poisonous. Spitting cobras do not have fangs. Instead, they spit poison to defend themselves. They aim their venom at the eyes. The venom can cause blindness. Someone bitten by a poisonous snake should get medical help immediately. Snake venom can be deadly. Moas and pythons. Moas and pythons are kinds of snakes known as constrictors. These snakes have thick bodies and strong muscles. Instead of biting, they wrap themselves around their prey and squeeze. They squeeze so hard that the animal can't breathe and dies. How do snakes move? Some snakes move by wiggling and squirming forward. Some snakes make leaping, twisting movements called sidewinding. Snakes that live in trees coil their tail around a branch. Then they hook their neck into a higher part of the tree and pull the rest of their body up behind them. What do snakes eat? Snakes eat a variety of things: worms, insects, lizards, small mammals, birds, and frogs. Some snakes, such as the Australian bandy, feed only on other snakes. Other snakes like to eat the eggs of other animals. An adult reticulated python eats larger prey, such as wild pigs, monkeys, and small deer. Snakes don't chew their food. They swallow it whole. Their teeth point backward, which helps to keep prey from escaping. Many snakes begin to swallow their prey while it's still alive. Others kill the animals before eating them. Life cycle of a snake. Most snakes lay eggs. Some sea snakes and snakes that live in cold places give birth to live baby snakes. Some snakes can begin reproducing at 2 years of age. Others take slightly longer to mature. Snakes may live for as long as 20 to 30 years. Snakes and people. People in Asia and other places kill snakes for meat. Some people make shoes, belts, purses, and other things out of snake skin. When people build houses and farms, the places where snakes live are often destroyed. Scientists and other experts fear that some snakes could become endangered if the killing of snakes or the destruction of their habitat continues. Some countries have laws against killing or selling snakes for their skins or their meat. Thank you for watching this video. Watch similar videos via hashtags. Hashtags: encyclopedia, animals, reptiles, snakes. Please do visit kimati.com. Please write to us and help us improve our videos. You can email us at admin@kimati.com. Learn about the snakes and King Cobra. A single bite from a King Cobra can deliver enough venom to kill an elephant.